Now the installation procedure is going to vary from car to car. This happens to be a 2003 Toyota Camry LE. Happens to have a V6 engine, but that doesn't make much of a difference. It's very simple. What you want to do first is locate where the bulb is. Let me show you here. This isn't as clear cut as it may seem. This car has a light here. It looks like this is the reverse light because it's clear, but it's not, because there's a turn signal bulb. On this car it happens to be amber, and then below that is where the reverse light is, and then there's a bulb in here. So there's a total of 4 bulbs in here. Then it's the 3rd bulb, so that's what we have to look for inside. Now fortunately, Toyota thought about this and realized that these bulbs do burn out and will eventually need to be replaced. So they left an access panel here. Your car may differ, but this just pops open. It just has tabs in there, and that's it. And now we have access to the wiring and all of the bulbs. So like I said, there's 4 bulbs. This is the top one. This one here is the turn signal. This one is the reverse bulb. So now when we remove that, that should be a clear bulb and not amber, because they used amber bulbs in this for the turn signal. And to do that, you just grab it and give it a twist and pull it out, and there is the bulb right there. So to remove this, you just pull the old bulb out and you just put the new bulb in. I'm replacing mine with LED bulbs. Not all LED bulbs are non-polarity. Make sure to check the specifications of the bulb. If your bulbs have a polarity, you have a 50-50 shot of getting it right the first time. If it doesn't work, take the bulb out, rotate it 180 degrees, and plug it back in. If you're replacing your bulbs with new incandescents, then polarity does not matter. Doesn't matter which way, because it's not polarity sensitive. Get that pushed in, and now we reinstall it. So we put it back in, goes at a little bit of a angle, maybe you can see that right there, and twist to lock back in place. And then you just close the cover back up. On this, you just put the little tabs back in, and it's done. Other side, same thing. Just go ahead and pull out the tabs of the carpeting. There we go. 1, 2, 3. This is our reverse bulb. Twist. Pull it out. And there it is there. Pull the old bulb out. Stick the new bulb in. And put it back in. Then you have to just sort of twist it around a little bit until you find it where it lines up. There it is there. And give it a twist. And then we just close the cover back up here. And we're done. And now when we go ahead and shift into reverse, you should be able to see those nice and bright. And of course I'll show you this at night right now. This is a shot of what the original bulbs in the car look like. And here's a shot of what the car looks like now with the new LED reverse lights in there. You can tell they're much, much brighter than the originals. Here's a close-up shot of what the lens looks like with the LED bulb in it. And now you can see how much light these new LED bulbs actually throw out behind the car. You can see it's incredibly bright. You'd never get that with the original bulbs of the car. And you can also see the telephone pole that's there that's very brightly lit, as well as the fence in the background. Remember, it's not just for you to be able to see, it's for the other drivers to see you. And here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the original bulbs on the top and the new LED bulbs on the bottom. Say, if this video helped you out, please consider clicking the like and subscribe buttons. That lets me know that I did a good job making this video and I can continue to provide them for you. Have a great day.